In today's video, we are going to talk about a kitchen appliance which I guess you guys are really going to like. The product that I'm talking about is Philips HL7756 mixer grinder. But before we start with the design and features, let us know the product. It can grind for continuous 25 minutes with a powerful 750 motor. It has leak-proof jars. It is durable and long-lasting, and it has less grooves. So now let's move ahead and see the quality of the product and talk about its features in detail. The design and look of the product is very elegant. It has a black glossy color. It has a unique triangular compact shaped body with less grooves, so it should be easy to clean. It has a powerful 750 watt turbo motor which can grind even the tough ingredients like black whole gram. It also has the advanced air ventilation system which provides this mixer grinder faster cooling to ensure a longer life of the motor. It has a user-friendly 3-speed knob and a pulse feature that will allow you to run the appliance at its highest speed. Now let's talk about the jars we got along with the product. This is the lid that we got along with the jar, which is transparent, so you can monitor the grinding process according to your preference. This lid is made of high-grade polycarbonate material. This is your wet jar. The build quality of the jar is pretty nice. It looks sturdy. The rotating blades are pretty sharp, so it can chop all your ingredients of food items precisely. The jar is made of stainless steel. It has strong and sturdy handle, which will provide you a firm grip. This little one over here is your chutney jar. And last but not the least, this is your multi-purpose jar, which has the same build quality and same strong handle, but it does not have a transparent lid. Now if I come back to the mixer grinder, it has a coupler which is made of tough plastic material for firm engagement between the jars and the body, which ensures continuous grinding performance. And this mixer grinder comes with a 2-year warranty.